Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so for Coinbase, let me recenter here. So we have an ABC for the wave 1. We have an A, a B, really the height of the B wave really stop where usually a B wave can stop. And I did tell you I'm still convinced this is a C wave. I know many out there that were looking for already an uptrend line. For this third wave, but I structurally didn't see, because if we have 5 wave down, then the trend is down, and so it's a little bit logical to have this as a hint that this is not this correction is not finished, because 5 wave indicate the direction of the trend. So this was a 5, this is a, now we had a B, and then still working onto this C. Now you can see that we perfectly touching the MA 200, and yeah, we are near the 0.786 wave A to wave C. Ideally we would go to the 1-to-1 ratio. Now I can remove the 0.618. I'm just adding the 0.886 just in case, because we are near the 0.5 fib retracement of all that movement. Just gonna to zoom out a little bit, and I know some people out there, they count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, but it can happen honestly, but I believe it's more actually at the end of the day it doesn't really matter, because if it's 3 or 5 wave, we both agree that this was the top of this movement, and now when we do micro counting, we see 5 wave down, we see that it reached a level for a B wave, and now we're going down. So either ways, this is a 2, no matter how you count it. And this is why a lot of time people, they I don't want to say they fight, but they argue about, is it a diagonal, is it 5 wave, 3 wave? But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. It's always the levels that counts. Now, if you do micro counting, you see 5 wave down, then you can say, okay, fine. To me, it's not the bottom, because it's 5 waves, and I believe price is going to go lower. But for the moment, yeah, it's like it did work out anyway for this time. Maybe sometimes it doesn't work out, but most of the time it does. And those are hints that the chart is giving you. All right, so now could the correction be finished? I don't think so, because we could, but ideally we would go a little bit lower. Now I don't want to reach perfection and reach the 213.84, but at least since we are here, 220, to me it's a logical wave to go. For sure 235 is not a bad place also to get some Coinbase, if you are into Coinbase. Now let me see here, what was that? Yeah, well, let me recenter a little bit. So we have an ABC for the wave 1, wave 2, ABC for the wave 3, and we had a wave 4, and now all this is a 5th wave, right? So we need to be aware that we are near the end. So now, yes, we can make a super very nice extension. And once again, so just to put it visually, this is the wave 1 of this 5th wave here, and now we're doing the wave 2, and when then after this bottom has reached, then we're waiting for this 3rd wave, 4th and 5th. Now don't look where I stop with it's just the structure. And yeah, so now the question is, how deep this correction is going to go? To me, 220, it's a good level of accumulation. That's my personal opinion. For sure, it's not financial advice. You need to do your own maths, check what's good for you, what do you think. And yeah, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share. Let me just check quickly on the RSIs. 8 hours, not oversold yet. 12 hours, not oversold yet. Daily, not oversold yet. 4 hours, didn't do it. Getting in there. So to me, yeah, 220, it's very possible. And let's remember, because this is an ABC, it's the price is allowed to go even at $200. So that would make sense. If I go on the daily, we still have the RSI some room to go down, so it does make sense, even possibly go to 200. Alright, so this is pretty much all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.